Acids and bases theories. It's a topic of pharmaceutical inorganic chemistry and analytical chemistry. Identification of acids and bases starts with their taste and litmus test. Acid is the compound that tasted sour, and the aqueous solution of acid turns litmus paper blue to red in color. While base is the compound that neutralizes acids, it's have bitter taste, and the aqueous solution of base turns litmus paper red to blue in color. Now we have three concepts to define acids and bases: Arrhenius concept, Bronsted-loury concept, and Lewis concept. First concept is Arrhenius concept. The statement of Arrhenius concept is, an acid is any substance that yields hydrogen ions, or proton, in aqueous solution, and a base is any substance that yields hydroxide ion. Examples: HCl is acid because it gives proton in water, while NaOH is base because it gives hydroxide ions in water. Limitations of Arrhenius concept. First limitation is, acids and bases were defined in terms of aqueous solution, not in terms of substance. Second limitation is, definition is limited to only those bases, those yields hydroxide ions. There is no explanation of substances, those are non-hydroxide compounds and still act as bases. We have made example of non-hydroxide bases, such as ammonia, sodium carbonate. In similar way, undefined acids by Arrhenius concept are carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and aluminium chloride. Third limitation is, there is no explanation of acids and bases behaviors in non-aqueous solvents. Bronsted-loury concept. This concept is also popular as proton concept. Statement of Bronsted-loury concept is, an acid is a substance that can donate a proton, and base is a substance that can accept a proton. Example: hydrochloric acid act as acid by donating proton to water, and water act as base by accepting a proton. Hydrochloric acid, upon donation of proton, is converted in chloride salt, and if reversible reaction is possible, this chloride salt acts as base by accepting proton. So this creates conjugated acid-base pair. Acid is called as proton donor, and after donating proton it converts in conjugated base. Base is called as proton acceptor, and after accepting proton it converts in conjugated acid. Acid and its conjugated base pair, called as conjugate acid-base pair. Proton transfer reactions are often called acid-base reactions. Limitations of Bronsted-loury concept. No explanation for the reason of proton transfer. Definition is limited to only those acids those donate proton. There is no explanation of substances those are not capable of donating proton, like CO2 and FeCl3. Lewis concept, also called as electron pair concept. Statements is, an acid is a substance that can accept a pair of electrons, and a base is a substance that can share its pair of electrons. New definitions came arise from this concept. First is Lewis acid, are non-proton donating acids, exempli gratia aprotic acids, such as aluminium chloride and borane. Second is Lewis bases. All bases are Lewis bases because they have a pair of electrons to share, such as ammonia. Ammonia shares electron pair to acid. That means it is base, according to Lewis concept. Aluminum chloride as Lewis acid in Friedel-Crafts acylation. Limitations of Lewis theory. Generally, acid-base reactions, that is titration, are rapid, but many Lewis acids base reactions, that is organic reactions, are slow. You can refer these mentioned books for acid-base theories. Thank you.